Hi, in Microsoft quick tours of this language, right? It has an example. This says about this let and in, right? So what does that mean, right? If you load any tables into the PowerQuery, you click on Advanced Editor, right? And basically, it will give you some source things, right? And you can try that out, right? I take the source as a table. So instead of writing it here, I replace these order steps, right, with source. And then I want to change that the first column, right, or not just the first column, the column that's been labeled as name, right, and change it to, I want to transform this column to upper. So I can you make use of this step, table dot transform columns. And that is now notice that now it is in a capitalized each word, but as soon as I click done, right, and you can see that it's all now transform, right, transform into capital letters by table dot transform columns, right. So that's a step, right. So table dot transform column. Now you can also make use of here. You type table dot transform columns, right? So you have that items. So if we take a look here, it's the same, right? Equals, but it's quite, I would say it's quite intimidating, right? But I hope that's my video here could help you to understand tables dot transform column better. Okay, thank you very much, right? Thank you. So remember, right, that we must give more in order to get more. It's the generous giving of ourselves that produce the generous harvest. Thank you. I wish you well.